Welcome to our video about the best ways for developers to use ChatGPT effectively. As a developer, you know that time is of the essence and ChatGPT can help you automate tasks and make your work more efficient. In this video, we will be sharing 10 tips on how developers can use ChatGPT to its full potential. With the example tools and platforms for each tip. But first, let's take a quick look at what ChatGPT is and how it works. ChatGPT, or Conventional Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on a deep learning technique called transformer networks, which have been used to achieve breakthrough results in a wide range of natural language processing tasks. ChatGPT is trained on a massive dataset of conventional text and is able to generate human-like text in a wide range of formats, including code, summarize responses, and more. One of the most popular use of ChatGPT is code generation. As a developer, you know how time-consuming it can be to write code from scratch, especially for complex tasks like web scraping or game development. With ChatGPT, you can use pre-trained model or fine-tune them to generate code for a wide range of programming languages and frameworks such as Python, JavaScript, C#, and more. Some popular tools for code generation with ChatGPT include the ChatGPT 3 Playground or OpenAI, the Hugging Face API, and the OpenAI API. Another popular use of ChatGPT is information retrieval. As a developer, you often need to access and retrieve data from a wide range of sources, such as databases, APIs, and web pages. With ChatGPT, you can use pre-trained models or fine-tune them to extract specific information, such as customer data, financial data, or product information in a fraction of the time it would take to manually search through these sources and get back to you with the data. Some popular tools for information retrieval with ChatGPT include the Hugging Face API and DALL-E by OpenAI. ChatGPT can also be used for text summarization. As a developer, you often need to quickly understand the main points of document or article, but it can be time consuming to read through large volume of text. With ChatGPT, you can use pre-trained models or fine-tune them to automatically summarize text, which can save you hours of reading time. Some popular tools for text summarization with ChatGPT include the Hugging Face API and OpenAI's GPT-3. ChatGPT is also a powerful tool for natural language processing. As a developer, you often need to analyze and understand natural language text, such as customer reviews, social media posts, or chatbot conversations. With ChatGPT, you can use pre-trained models or fine-tune them to automatically classify text, extract entitles, determine sentiment, and more. Some popular tools for natural language processing with ChatGPT includes the Hugging Face API and Transformer NLP library. ChatGPT can also be used to create chatbot applications. As a developer, you can use the pre-trained models or fine-tune them to train chatbot to understand and respond to natural language input, which can make the chatbot more human-like and more effective at providing helpful information. Some popular tools for chatbot development with ChatGPT include the Hugging Face API and OpenAI's GPT-3. By using ChatGPT, developers can also create conversational AI applications that can understand natural language input and generate human-like responses. For example, a developer can use ChatGPT Playground by OpenAI or the Hugging Face API to create a virtual assistant for a customer service chatbot or a personal shopping assistant for an e-commerce app. So in here we have shown that there's a code using dialog flow by using ChatGPT 3. ChatGPT can also be used in conjunction with other technologies such as machine learning and data science to create even more powerful applications. For example, a developer can use the Hugging Face API with image recognition tools like TensorFlow or OpenCV to create a search engine that can understand natural language queries and return relevant images. ChatGPT model should be kept up to date with the latest version and the latest data. This can improve the performance of the model. For example, a developer can update the model with new data to make the chatbot more accurate and improve the performance of the text summarization. And even in the machine learning and data science, it will be helpful to update the model and keep it update further on in different test use cases as well as the development process. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help developers to automate tasks and make their work more efficient. By using tools like GPT-3 Playground by OpenAI, Hugging Face API, DALL-E, Transformer NLP library, and using ChatGPT for code generation, information retrieval, text summarization, natural language processing, language generation, chatbot development, conversational AI with the other technologies, using pre-trained models and keeping the model updated, the developers can take full advantages of ChatGPT's capabilities. Thanks for watching. If you have any other tips or tricks on how to use ChatGPT effectively, please share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest technology trends and innovations.